So direct fiat on-ramps come to Algorand, ALGO via Alchemy, Pay, ACH. Singapore, January 10th, 2022, PR Newswire. Algorand, ALGO, the layer 1 blockchain for decentralized and traditional finance, has added direct fiat payment channels into their network. Thanks to a new integration with Alchemy Pay, ACH, Alchemy Pay is a payment solutions provider that connects fiat and crypto economies, and its global merchant network now supports Algorand's ALGO token for payment in 65 countries. Algorand has also announced it has joined the Blockchain Infrastructure Alliance, which was inaugurated in October by Alchemy Pay, NEO, Near, and Polygon. Alchemy Pay times Algorand. Direct fiat on-ramps come to Algorand via Alchemy Pay. The integration with Alchemy Pay will enable Algorand to onboard users via fiat payment standards like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and countless other local payment channels around the world. The ability to bring new users to the Algorand ecosystem via these mainstream payment methods will increase adoption by making access direct and bypassing the application or complications of crypto exchanges that can be a barrier to entry for many. The cooperation between Alchemy Pay and Algorand is a natural match, as both are focused on bringing traditional finances together with decentralized blockchain finance. As a pure proof-of-stake platform, Algorand is among the most efficient networks in terms of energy usage, which has appealed to environmentally conscious investors. Algorand was founded by MIT professor Silvio Macaulay. Professor Macaulay is the recipient of the prestigious Turing Award for computer science, and much of his work has directly impacted the cryptocurrency space. After being added to Alchemy Pay crypto fiat payment network, the ALGO token can be used for business-to-business or customer-to-business payments globally and borderlessly. Alchemy Pay's payment network is focused on broadening crypto acceptance by offering low fees and fast settlement via their software solution that requires no special hardware. When ALGO is used to pay online or in-store on the Alchemy Pay network, and will be automatically converted to fiat currency for the convenience of merchant partners. Man, oh man, Kenny, this is fascinating what they've added to their pay. Alchemy Pay CEO John Tan explained, our payment network gives ALGO broad use as a currency globally. Like us, Algorand is focused on the evolution of decentralized finance, and we are happy to be helping Algorand users move seamlessly between blockchain and non-blockchain economies. In October of this year, Alchemy Pay co-founded the Blockchain Infrastructure Alliance, of which Algorand has now become a member. The alliance brings together industry leaders, innovators, and investors to create cooperation across all areas of blockchain technology and collectively promote the development of decentralized finance and other decentralized initiatives. Its inclusion as a founding member will bring Algorand together with other leading DeFi projects and further BIA's aim to build a more unified and stronger blockchain industry. Algorand's head of developer advocate Hachao Zhu said of the integration, Algorand has been widely known as the solution for a decentralized, secure, and scalable Layer 1 blockchain. The mission of Algorand has always been empowering the traditional finance system as well as developing the Web3 era. The integration with Alchemy Pay will help us further expand our ecosystem to enable much more versatile application scenarios and bring the technology to everyone's daily life. Alchemy Pay is an integrated fiat and cryptocurrency gateway solution provider powering seamless crypto and fiat acceptance for merchant networks, developers, and financial institutions. This is huge, astronomical for ALGO. It really is. The company drives adoption in blockchain technology by making crypto investment, commercial transactions, and DeFi services readily accessible to consumers and institutions in the fiat economy. Today, Alchemy Pay supports over 65 countries with 200 payment channels and has touch points with more than 2 million merchants through partnerships with industry giants such as Binance, Shopify, Arcadia, QF Pay, and more. Wow. So, the Algorand Foundation is dedicated to fulfilling the global promise of blockchain technology by leveraging the Algorand protocol and open source software, which was initially designed by Silvio Macaulay and a team of leading scientists, with core beliefs in the establishment of an open, public, and permissionless blockchain. The Algorand Foundation has a vision for inclusive ecosystem that provides an opportunity for everyone to harness the potential of an equitable and truly borderless economy. Guys, this is huge. This is direct competition with XRP with what they just did. We already know this. We know XRP is not the main game. I mean, not the only game. It very well could be the main game when it comes down to it. But I'll go down to $1.37. We got to pay some serious consideration here. Are we going to get up to the 30-minute time frame? Doubtful. We likely will turn back down and touch our day lows before we hit the 7 o'clock hour in an hour and 11 minutes on the daily close here on the East Coast in the great state of Michigan. on this national championship Monday. And also the 8th birthday to our buddies, Digibyte. Oh, yes. The Digibyte blockchain's 8th birthday is today. It was created 8 short years ago and forever is in my heart. So let's wish Digibyte a happy birthday in the comments, hashtag DGB. So 131 is the support. If we break through that, we're going to come down to about $1.25, and then it could possibly come down into this level, obviously where I showed, if we had a wick down, but we could end up at that $1 level, depending on where IOTA goes, especially in Bitcoin. Bitcoin's down 227.43 at 41,638. It looks like we got rejected at the 41,995 level where we closed roughly just below yesterday, and we're confirming it today on this daily close if we stay here. We've got immediate support in the area, still at 39,590 where we touched down earlier, and for the first time since about September 18th, we broke the $40,000 mark, and we're sub 40,000. So that's about the first time in, almost 4 months. So now we've got support at 40,575, true support at 39,590 in the area, 41,979 resistance. If we get past that, we have a slight bump to 42,499. And if we did that, we could lead credence to maybe a little more of a pump because we could ride the 30-minute and then we could be on our way up to 44,864. But as of right now with the volume, I highly doubt that's going to happen. And until we see something different, I'm going to continue to stay with this thesis. XRP's at 73,517, down just over 2.3%, or just over 1 3/4 cents to 73,517. We've lost that handle of 75 cents. There's no point to keep both of these lines because the 30-minute is basically crossing over our 75 cents. So now we would have to get topside, but we're being rejected by the 100 or the 50-day moving average as we were earlier. We have support at 69853, which we hit earlier, and we have a resistance at 75 cents, which just yesterday was a support tempted structure, which I thought we were going to break. As I released earlier, I think we're inside this inside-out triangle, and now this is going to be kind of our trading path until we get down to the bottom. I think we're going to start to see this as we get in here, or we could have volatile swings until we get down to here, or 57 cents. But I certainly think that we're capping any upside with this descending line right here now. So I think even if we pop up here, we'll start to come down, maybe pop back up, come back down, pop back up, and then we'll end up, breaking out. Because we're going to have a rather substantial breakout to about the $1.44 level, in my opinion. Once we break out of this, we're going to get a nice pump, and then we're going to get a catastrophic dump, probably down to the 30-cent level. Don't shoot the messenger, but if we can get a nice pump from 57 or 52 cents and get, 57, 160% roughly, and then we dump, well, we'll be all over that, and then we'll be able to take those 160% profits on top of what we already have with a doubled and a half portfolio and be able to buy XRP at about 32 cents, possibly all the way down to 12 cents. Don't shoot the messenger, but that is what we're working on. So we'll have one final bull trap if we can knock off this final 16%. That's all it is now, is 16 measly percent is standing in the way of a possible 1.6x pump. That's it. You heard it here. No bullshit. That's what's happening. We've got, because after you dump the liquidity, now you get a whole bunch more liquidity put into the market after a liquidation event. Because now you get a whole bunch of people that start opening, they start, borrowing money. They start doing it on leverage. So now at 57 or 52 cents, you get a whole bunch of leverage opened up. It skyrockets to $1.44. Most of those people re-leverage up, or they just sell off, or they just hold it because they think it's going to $1 million. And then when they get that leverage dump, they'll have to sell it at a certain point. Then it's a catastrophic fall through that 52 or 50 cent level, 57 cent level. I believe this is the same thing as XRP. We're being sucked in here. Now we're going to start working our way down. We always have that chance to reverse the thesis, but we'd have to get above the 30-minute time frame and do something like that to complete a cup and handle that's not even taking form yet, because for a cup and handle, you can't keep coming down. You got to find the bottom of the round. So I'm assuming it's probably going to be somewhere around here, and then we'll get a nice big pump. Actually, it probably wouldn't dump from there under this scenario. If we could get a little bit lower, we'd have a nice successful bounce, and then we'd probably come up to about 40. My expectation for XLM with an XRP pump to $1.44, if we can do what we need to do, you would get about a pump from anywhere between 19.9. Actually, it can go anywhere from 17 cents roughly, or 16.6, just depending on how low XRP goes. But 17.5 cents to 22 cents. I say 17.5, honestly, to 22 cents is the range. But 22 cents will get broken. If XRP goes to 57, we'll be sitting at about 19.9 is my expectation when it's all said and done. I know I haven't updated this, but my expectation for this is we're going to be somewhere down here. And this is going to have to bounce out of here somehow. So, and then my other thing with XLM, I haven't done this yet. But this is what I think is going on here. I think we're getting trapped into this triangle. It kind of looks something like that. And I think it's going to pull us down to about the 19.9 area. And I think what this does is this shows us an area of how our top side is going to get capped. So if you're trading, so we bounce close to here. Now, if we were to make a run, it would just keep bouncing down. And I think we're going to get traded into here. And then before we know it, we're going to have a massive pump. And if we can come out at 19.9, you're going to go from 20 cents. And by expectation would be 48 cents. So that's 150% plus pump.